Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having Ford F-150 that generation year 2015, 16, 17. If you need to find the fuse for the HUD display, this is known as the head-up display. We're going to explain which fuses you need to check. Two fuses will need to be checked. We'll explain where to buy cheap fuses from, relays as well, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. That way you don't waste time and money. All that will be covered in this video today. Make sure you stay till the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car that we'll get here at the garage, we'll try to make every single fuse video and show you where it's located. Why we do that? Because if you're in the middle of the road, guys, in the middle of nowhere, and you need to find that fuse specifically, it will take you a shorter amount of time to just search for that video instead of looking for the manual in your glove box. And most of the times, people lose their manuals. And if you don't know which fuse, let's say, to replace for ignition coils, fuel injectors, fuel pump, you may be just stuck in the middle of nowhere. So that's why we are making all these videos, guys. We're constantly working here at the garage. We're taking things apart, as you can see. And if you want to check out, guys, we have 3 channels that altogether have more than 1.1 million subscribers. Okay, we have all the mechanical work there. This channel that you're watching right now, we're going to list, the fuse videos here, so we can save you guys time, money, and we can make it conveniently for you guys. So let's start on it now. So we'll demonstrate, guys, on the 2016 Ford F-150 where you can expect to find the HUD fuse, also known as the head-up display fuse. That's the one that we'll be demonstrating on. You have 2 fuse boxes, guys. One is under the hood behind the car battery, and when you open that fuse, guys, you will have all kinds of fuses, relays. This could be Ford specific fuses and relays that could be really expensive, hard to find, or impossible to find. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get some replacements from at a good price and quick shipping, guys. Check it out for your convenience. You need to come on the passenger side and you need to find the interior fuse box, which is located in the footwell. Then you remove that kick panel plastic. You will open a fuse box that will look just like that. Before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. That way you don't waste time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So the fuse, guys, for the head-up display now, you will need to check 2 fuses specifically. You're going to come towards the bottom, and if you see where it says fuse number 16 and all of a sudden it jumps to fuse number 18, if you look right here, that's actually 2 fuses, guys. Right here you have fuse number 17 and 18. Fuse number 17 is for the HUD display, for the head-up display. Check that fuse, but you need to replace both of them at the same time. It's one fuse, practically 2 fuses in one. Then you have another fuse that you need to check, and it's known as fuse number 21. It will be that one here. So this fuse and that fuse here will need to be checked for that specifically. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.